All right, we got another one, 2023 F450.
Stuff like that. Got the new headlight.
We
go
got
ahead and refinish the whole front end so the paint can match.
Damn. Oh yeah. That's exactly what I need.
TJ Hunt. This is his old car.
Damn. Oh my God, this is the one. What's up, guys? Before we start this video, man, I just want to let you guys know, man, we got a new surprise giveaway coming July 7th, man. You guys know I got my 2020 wide body Daytona Hellcat, man. So I'm actually going to be giving this thing to one of you guys, man. It's actually going down and I can't wait. This is for all the early supporters who got it early and everything like that, man. So if you guys haven't got in for a chance to win, July 7th, we are going live giving away my 2020 limited edition Hellcat Daytona, that is, man. So can't wait, man. Y'all know what time it is. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, man, head on over to everythingregular.com right now. Go get you an Everything Regular hat. We got new hats on the site. Buying a hat will get you 50 entries today and today only, man. But let's get back to the show now, shall we? And then before we get to the show, I can actually give you a quick update on the truck. You guys know we copped a brand new 2023 F450 right after my guy came and picked up his last truck that he won. We actually bought the same exact truck. It's almost done, man. Let's check out the update and see what's going on. I can't wait. I've been waiting and waiting, so I'm gonna let you guys see what we waiting on, man.
All right, we got another one, 2023 Ford F450. So on this one, we're doing the same thing as last time, but it's gonna be way more color matched than the other one. Like you see, it's already stripped down. We got the bumpers off, all the stuff on the back of the bed. We still gotta remove the door handles. Door handle be color matched, window trims color match, mirrors also, emblems, front bumper, grills, everything's gonna be color matched. Side emblems, everything. So yeah, stay tuned. So this is a little update video. It's gonna take some time, get everything painted, make it look nice. We still gotta take that 4 emblem off. And we got some side steps coming in.
What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. You guys caught that video yesterday where my guy Javen finally came and picked up his freaking 2020 Road Glide. Now that thing is back there, but we are actually shipping that off to Milwaukee in a day or two. So Javen, your bike will be on this way in a second. Meanwhile, man, if y'all just now tuning in for the first time, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in today. You guys seen we got the Monte Carlo back the other day. You know, everything is great on that, but it was so freaking hot. We had to order a whole nother air compressor. So the air compressor finally came in. I'm about to go back up to Done by D's. He about to put it on, install it. We about to get some AC up in here because we got to be ice chilly while we riding, man. So in the meantime, man, I'm about to pull out the vet, second place at least. Pull out the Monte Carlo, hop in the Monte Carlo, go to Done by D, get some stuff done, and slide downtown for a little bit. Meanwhile, man, you guys know we got a few things on the go. Meanwhile, man, if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the whole Big Daddy giveaway, man, you guys know I got my 2023 F450 Big Daddy dually truck paired together for first place with our 2020 Reese's Pieces Road Glide. Not only that, you'll be getting also my 1987 Monte Carlo off of first place. So just to be clear, man, you get a 2023 F450, a 2020 Road Glide, and my 1987 off of first place. Meanwhile, you guys know I got second place, which is my 2020 C8 Corvette. That'll be paired together with our 2020 Road Glide Special. And then not only that, man, we will have a third place as well. Now, our Road King would have been third place, but meanwhile, I'm about to get up in here and move these cars out the way, get this Monte Carlo on pavement, and let's get this show on the road, man. It's a movie. All right, so now y'all know y'all can have a vet. Of course. Alrighty, guys, first place. Let's get this thing going. Let's get it going. Let's get it going. Let's get it going. Come on. First start for the first start. Him and him. Y'all know what time it is, man. Y'all know what time it is. Let me roll down these windows. Alrighty, guys, so yesterday I was messing with the Monte Carlo all day yesterday trying to get the AC and everything situated. We got it situated, we got it back home. I just didn't record because it was just so hot in the process of doing that, man. So, excuse me?
Can we help you?
No, you guys are already helping me. I didn't already talk to who I needed to talk to in here. Mr. Jake.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
I'm just, because I got to know, because people in the shop,
yeah, I didn't walk through here and everything. I was waiting for you to pull up. Okay, bet.
Want you guys to slip and fall and hurt you.
Yeah, that's what it is, huh? Got you. I know how I look.
What's up, brother?
Jake, I told you. We up here, man. So you know, I brought the Maybach. They don't know. I crashed the Maybach a while ago. I had to bring it up to Imperial, man. So y'all got a hell of a shop here, bro.
So we do it literally everything from wraps, details, ceramic coating.
You know, this like I'm new to Houston, so I'm like I need a new shop to mess with, man. So
literally everything you want on a car, we do it here under one roof.
yeah.
Shop down the street, that's a mechanic shop, Imperial Auto.
Oh dang.
That's what we're doing. Like,
You know, I'm looking. I see y'all got like a lot of Lambos.
Yeah.
I'm looking for like a wide body kit for my Lambo, bro.
Let's do it. We got like a lot of companies like 1016 Industry. We can do like a similar RDBLA kit.
Yeah.
Anything you want, just let me know. I'll get it. Try to get it.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be sick. That's gonna be sick. So man, show me around because this is a really, really dope shop. I've never seen nothing like this really.
This part is like assembly.
Right.
It's also like you put back together.
The finishing stages type stuff.
Staging. The other side is called the dirty work.
Okay.
Bondo, frame machine.
Got you. Oh, nice. All the stuff that you don't want to see in here. Got you.
It's the dirty work.
This is the cool side then.
Yeah.
Okay, got you.
And then you can see a couple cars.
Yeah, y'all got some nice whips in here, man. So.
Insurance doesn't want to pay. So
Oh my lord.
Sit for almost 2 years. Like
Yeah.
Down there.
It's been sitting for how long?
2 years.
2 years?
2 years.
Dang.
Insurance doesn't want to pay.
They not trying to pay that hefty tab, huh?
If you have like Allstate on a Lambo, I don't recommend that.
Don't recommend it.
State Farm, get like good insurance like Haggerty, Cincinnati.
I for sure got State Farm. That's crazy.
I'll change it.
Damn, change it? Okay, let's see what we can do.
And then we also like this car is gonna get a full PPF front.
That red Lambo right there? Oh yeah, let's check him out, man. Let's see what we got. And they got Lambos and everything all around here. So what y'all special in like what car wise specifically? What do you guys have the most of?
You get a lot of exotics.
Exotics, okay, got you.
So a lot of Lamborghini Houston, stuff like that send us the work to us.
Right. Okay, bet.
This guy tracks the car.
Oh, nice. So did this one slide to Austin this weekend too, or what?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
But he's always taking it to MSR.
Oh, nice.
But he's just got a lot of rock chips. He's like, hey man, let's just go ahead and do the full front because it had like rock chips, things stuff like that. So now you can see it's pristine. It's like
that's pretty sick.
Clean.
So it seems like you guys do like a bunch of like pretty like exclusive people cars, man. Who was the last exclusive car you did?
Damian Prince.
Damian Prince.
He's one of our good customers as well.
Yeah.
We do a lot of his cars.
You got anything here right now that's pretty exclusive?
We had an SVJ. We had an SVJ, but this is our favorite build. It's,
your favorite build?
This is like we built it from scratch. From scratch? I'm not sure if your viewers know TJ Hunt. Sorry guys, slow.
Oh, of course.
TJ Hunt. This is his old car.
Damn. Oh my God, this is the one.
Yeah, it used to be green.
I was about to say he changed the color and everything because this is definitely not like him. Like, you know, all of his cars is like the dark light green. This is freaking sick.
It used to be green. We did a like wire body.
Oh
we
my.
adjusted the frame a little because this was a rebuilt title.
Damn.
Painted it red. This was like a 2-year project.
Now this thing is sick.
It was originally what, a 458? 458, yeah.
Dang, what year is this?
If I'm not mistaken,
like
2012.
2012. I was just gonna say that too. And the mirrors on this thing are freaking sick. Carbon fiber, everything. Wide body for the wide body.
Both quarter panels are custom made.
Wow.
So they didn't have these few fillers on both sides. I think it was just originally here on this side or on the other side. But we like literally took 200 man hours to fabricate.
I was just about to say, how long does something like this take, bro?
This one took about 2 years, but like this one itself is 200 man hours.
Wow.
So the boss's car, this is the boss's car. This is a drift car.
Oh, he got the Big Daddy. Okay.
We'll look at the ass in the back.
Yeah, let's see. Let's check it out. Real Tokyo Drift. Oh my God. Damn. I ain't never seen nothing like that before.
He custom built this in his garage. Okay.
In his garage? Oh, he's crafty. He's crafty.
He has magic hands, man.
He's crafty. That's really sick. I've never seen nothing like that.
In the world, huh?
Damn.
He built two. So this one's like his drift car. It's like to have fun, you know.
Right.
Fuck around, but he hasn't driven it in 2 years.
Wow.
And he built one.
It's clean too.
It was an E30 wide body. I'll send you some pics.
Yeah.
And he just recently sold it.
Damn.
Yeah.
Hey, Mr. Hunt. So is his car almost done or no?
His car is done. It's just that it's been done. It's just that the customer that he bought it in Houston, he just kind of scraped the lower lip, but we're getting sent it out.
Oh, okay, you got to get some more custom stuff done to it. A little bit more time, Mr. Hunt, but it's looking really good.
So this one has the air ride lift up? This has like a lift up, but he put lower springs.
Yeah.
So it's even more lower.
Oh wow.
Yeah. This is the lowest it will go, but it will, if you put it in the air ride, it will go up to this.
This thing is so clean. I am not gonna hold you. Oh yeah, man, that thing is nice though, man. What else we got up in here though?
We got some guy named Austin something. He has his Maybach here.
Yeah. Hey man, so y'all know I hit like a little something on the Maybach, man. So
No, we're gonna make it sexy for you, bro.
Man, appreciate it, man.
I'm gonna get you. So I got the bumper and stuff like that. Got the new headlight.
We
go
got
ahead and refinish the whole front end so the paint can match.
Damn.
So the front end is gonna be like a brand new car.
Okay, bet. I can't wait.
And I also throw in that temperature ceramic coating for you on the house.
Ooh,
Good.
movie. Y'all see what's going on, man. Maybach will be back. I'm trying to be riding comfortable in style, man. You feel me? With the bounce for sure. You know I'm trying to pull up, man. Oh my goodness, my birthday is in a couple days. I was trying to pull up. We're gonna see if we can get it done. If not, we will have fun regardless, man. But all in all, the Maybach is in the shop right now. Getting together right now, man. Let's get this thing together, man. But yeah, man, y'all see it here, man. The Maybach is getting worked on right now.
What do you think about this one, man? Is it gonna fit for you?
That thing is freaking tiny. Can we put an LS in it and drift it or what?
This one actually we're gonna put an LS in.
Yeah? You about to put it? Oh, damn.
This is almost a 1.5-year project.
Yeah? A 1.5 years. They got the Big Daddy up there. Let's see what we got. Oh my Lord. Oh, I see the LS poking out the poke outs. Let's see. Oh, you gonna drop it for me low? You gonna drop it for me low? Okay. LS3? Yeah? Nice.
LS3 with the cam and a 3-stage clutch.
Oh, y'all got some stuff on this. They trying to get some angle. Oh yeah, that's hard. Wow. That's crazy.
I literally just stuffed this in there.
Yeah. This is sick. They love this in LA on the streets, boy. Oh my God.
So this one barely fits. We had to bank up the body of it so the headers can go through.
Oh yeah.
They stuffed this in there. Look at
That's crazy.
This has a boxer engine, so the boxers they shoot like this.
That's
so
nuts.
It's already wide from factory.
Right.
So we can be able to manage to fit this in.
That's
It's
crazy.
almost there, almost there.
It looks really good.
Scion 4-cylinder, and we had a turbo kit on here, but these engines and torques, bro.
Yeah. This thing is sick. I ain't gonna hold you. It's different. I like this. Now this is what I like.
the hell out of this.
Well, I'm about to dog this car.
It doesn't have AC, so in this heat.
Oh yeah, it's no love. You better get out early morning or not at all. Fuck, I got a video of this.
Yeah,
Yeah, I got some sick stuff here, bro.
we tried.
That's pretty sick.
We literally had a couple of cars like the SVJ. We had an SV in here the other day. That'd be cool to show on the camera. And we also do boats.
They stuffed the LS in a fucking Scion. They stuffed the LS in a Scion. That's crazy.
He has. We always do.
That's nuts. They stuffed it in that thing with that thing. They stuffed LS in.
So is it back up to good now?
It's good. It's just,
Oh yeah, what y'all gonna do with this exhaust right here, the old one?
so this is a custom built titanium exhaust. It's just this one from factory. It's just they just go through shit. So we're just replacing the valve electronics. This whole quarter panel. Fabricated this fender. The floor pan was all rusted, so we like literally fabricated new metal. This has been almost about 6 months project. Almost there.
That's not bad for 6 months.
It was
That's
originally orange. This is a Ferrari blue.
Ferrari blue.
I forgot what it's called.
That thing is nice though. I ain't gonna hold you.
There's a purple one. This color.
What is it called? A bambinella.
So you see this color?
Yeah.
This is Lamborghini blue. Lamborghini purple.
Right.
This is the same purple. For the wife, and that's for the husband.
I can dig it. That's pretty player. Wow,
They
man.
got a bunch of like small little matching parts. Little golf parts and stuff.
That's funny. So this is his car too?
Yeah.
Wow. What type of motor do you put in these things?
Man, I think they're like a 1-cylinder or something.
Wow.
Well, it has 50 horsepower.
Yeah, that's different.
I put a Hayabusa motor in there, man.
Used to be the OG body shop.
Okay, bet.
7 years ago.
Oh,
So that's
dang.
where we all started. We've been here for about this one location 17 years.
Damn.
So yeah, we've been in the business for almost 20 years.
That's crazy, man.
Yeah, that's like this is Butch's.
Okay.
We can try to get the keys.
I ain't seen one like this either. I ain't seen one like this. I need the everything regular on the back. We got tuned down pipes. We gonna see how this thing sounds. This thing look
Pretty
good.
badass.
Let me get this cold start.
Go in the back.
Let's hear it. He said, "Go in the back. Go to the back." Hey, go to the back. Let's hear it. I'm excited. Oh yeah. That's exactly what I need. Oh yeah. That's crazy. And that's like that all the time?
All the time.
Yeah.
And right now it's a little cold, so it's loud.
It's loud.
And it will settle down just a little.
Right. It sounds good though in the cold start. So where do we pushing like horsepower wise? Roughly.
About around 750 to 800.
That's nice. I like this. This thing sounds like a beast. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, that thing sounds good, man. What y'all think? Should we do down pipes and exhaust on a Lambo? There we go. That thing sound good. Sound real good. That thing sound like a beast.
Almost hitting me on the quarter panel. I was like fucking moving. I was like,
Let me hear it with some gas.
yeah.
Just a little bit of bit. A little bitty bit. Let's hear it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I need that. Ooh, I need that. Sign me up. So, alrighty guys, I'm gonna wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in today, man. We was all over the place. We've been gone for a while. It's been my birthday month, it's been vacation month, and all the above, but we're back home, back in the garage, ready to get this thing situated. My Maybach is freaking wrecked, but it's almost back complete, so I can't wait to get that back. My truck is like all in pieces, but it's almost complete. Can't wait to get that back. Meanwhile, July 7th, man, we are going live, giving away my 2020 wide-body Daytona Hellcat to one of you guys who got in early. If you guys haven't got in for a chance to win, this is actually included with the Big Daddy giveaway as well. So if you already got in for the Big Daddy giveaway, you are entered in for a chance to win. However, if you guys do want more opportunities, man, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get your Everything Regular hat. Just by buying a hat, you get 50 extra entries today. Buying a sticker will get you 1 entry, man. You guys know what time it is. Head on over there right now. Meanwhile, about to get up in the garage, start with this Road King, and get everything back situated and caught up, man. So with that being said, man, I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.